Hello friends, I am Ram Lakshmanan. I am the architect of yCrash. So here I am to give a very quick introduction to yCrash. See friends, today industry has world-class infrastructure monitoring tools. It has world-class application performance monitoring tools. So these tools are pretty good at detecting the problems. So right when the CPU starts to spike up, they will report your CPU spiking up by X percentage. Memory has shot up by Y percentage. The response time has degraded by Z seconds. Once this kind of alert is sent to a site reliability engineer, what is it that engineer does? See, most of the time the engineer goes, because of the heat of the moment, they go ahead and they restart the application. They restart the server. Once, if they restart, if they didn't capture the proper artifacts, like to troubleshoot the CPU spike, you need to capture the thread dump and the top output. To troubleshoot an heap, why a memory is leaking, you need to capture heap dump and the GC logs. So like this, he has to capture various artifacts. But because of the heat of the moment, several times, those artifacts are not captured. And then the application is restarted. Once it's restarted, then you wouldn't be able to debug the problem. So the next step, let's say our engineer has scripted it properly and they automated and even if they capture the dumps. Now this dumps has to be shipped through a safe mechanism because these dumps tends to contain very sensitive information. And this has to be given, and these tend to be a very large size file. And this has to be given to your development organization, your SME, subject matter experts, to troubleshoot. And these terms are very cryptic and very tedious. And say in case in your organization you don't have expertise to troubleshoot these dump files, then this is given to your vendors. And the vendors can take anywhere from few days to several days to few weeks. And until then your production, you end up keep restarting it. To address this entire landscape, yCrash, we have attempted a solution called as a yCrash. So that's what we're going to talk now. So how does yCrash work? See, yCrash has two components. The first component is an agent. So this agent is a component that you want to be installing on the device. And this is agnostic. It can work on any platform, any cloud environment, any containerized environment. So this is an agent that needs to be installed. Friends, listen to this very closely. These agents are dormant. That is what I mean. They're only installed and they won't be running at all. So they won't be adding any overhead to your application or to the device in which it is running. It is dormant. It doesn't run at all. Okay. So let's say when you get an alert from your monitoring tool saying the CPU has spiked up. When you get that kind of alert, now this agent is going to go ahead and then it's going to capture, only at that point the agent is going to capture various artifact of information. Like it's going to capture GC log, thread dump, heap dump, top-h, top, netstat, vmstat, dmsh, process status, disk usage. It's going to capture 360 degree of data, right when the problem is happening. So now we are capturing the data. And once the data has been captured, this data is now sent from this agent, from your devices, to your yCrash server. And this yCrash server runs within your corporate firewall. So the no data is leaving the network. And in this yCrash server, the all data is analyzed and you are given a root cause analysis report right away. Instantly you're going to see a root cause analysis report. So this is the whole vision of yCrash. So let's look at a quick demo. Okay. So friends, this is the yCrash dashboard. See here you can see all the incidents that has happened in my environment in this month. Like I can see, okay, on June 17th, 17 incidents has been reported in my environment, and these are all the applications in which it has happened. And I can go back in time, last month, how many incidents have happened, and I give this kind of graphical visualization. So now what we will do, we will take a look at one particular incident to see the analysis. Okay, so the tool has analyzed your garbage collection log, thread dump, heap dump, HS error bit, and various artifacts, and it is giving you this kind of one root cause summary that what's going on. See here in the left panel, if I'm going to click on GC analysis, here the tool is showing it has analyzed your garbage collection log, and it is giving you this kind of visual detailed metrics, like what's going on in your heap, what was your GC duration, and how much bytes it is reclaiming. All those information is available. And now I'm going to click on the thread analysis. Now the tool has analyzed the thread dumps, and then it is giving you this kind of a detailed visualization of what's going on in your thread dump. It gives you various information. Like what are the threads in what states they are, what thread group they are, and they're classifying by the thread stack trace. There are multiple sections in the report, and if I'm going to come down, here you can see it's showing you also the transitive dependency graph. It is showing you that this thread is blocked by this thread. All these threads are blocked by this thread. And it's also giving you the problem in a detailed English description. The tool also gives you a flame graph visualization of what's going on in the application. And now if you want to click on heap, the tool has analyzed the heap dump, a huge cryptic file, and it's giving you this visualization. It's giving you, okay, this is the largest object which is sitting in memory, and it's stored by this particular code path, so I can go ahead and fix it. Similarly, a lot of time the outages not only happens because of the problem within your application, sometimes it can happen because of the problem because of the issues that is happening on the device in which the application is running. See, what if the device in which your application is running, there's some other process is chewing up the CPU. Some other process is taking up so much memory, so your application does not have sufficient memory to run. We capture those information. So here we show what are the processes that is running, and with what arguments they are launched, how much CPU and memory they are utilizing. Sometimes an outage can happen because of disk space. Your device ran out of disk space, so your application is not able to log the information. Because logging is blocked, the application can have issues. So we analyze like a network data, the resource data, everything, the 360-degree view, and then we give you this kind of one root cause analysis summary. So now let's take a look at the quick demo here. So this is the dashboard page. Here you can see now we are on June 19th. No incidents have been reported so far. So we have integration with all your monitoring tools. So once you get an alert, then through your monitoring tool, you can trigger our YC agent script. So it's just a simple Golang script. It doesn't run by itself. So once the problem has happened, then you just need to invoke the script. You just need to say YC and give the name of your process ID. So that's what we are doing. So now when we do this, now the agent is capturing all the data. Like it is capturing the GC log, thread dump, heap dump, the 360-degree view data, and then it is going to transmit to the server, and momentarily you are going to see the results here. So now I'm refreshing. Here you can see I'm seeing the June 19th an incident to be reported here. Boom, right away your root cause analysis report is available for you. And see, there are also more features here, like I can search all my incidents that has happened in my environment. Like I want to search by an application. Say if I want to search by an application, or I want to search by a host, I can do those search. In fact, I can do tagging. I can tag a report and then I can search for that tag. And there are also like our standalone tools are also integrated into this product, like GCEC, which is the world's #1 garbage collection log analysis tool, the Fast Thread, which is the world's #1 thread dump analysis tool, Heap Hero, our heap dump analysis tool. All of them are integrated with you. So in case you have manually captured the dumps and you want to analyze, you can analyze it using our tools. So there are more features to it. Say one main feature that we try to address is, say these dumps are trying to contain very sensitive information. Like they tend to contain your application code stack traces. They tend to contain, heap dump tends to contain your credit card numbers of your customer, social security number, VAT numbers, those kind of sensitive information are there. And typically these dumps are floating across your organization in multiple levels. It is going from a production server to some FTP site. From FTP site it is going to a developer's laptop. What if the laptop is lost or when it's decommissioned? All the data is sitting there. It's a risk. Whereas with yCrash, all the data, the dump files are stored within yCrash server, which is running within your corporate firewall. So it is in one place, singular place. So it addresses from the security point as well. Okay friends, So thank you very much for watching this video clip. Thanks a lot.